Alright, let's look at another one. Alright, this is one that you cannot look up in the tables because this probability is not there. And that's why we would sometimes use the binomial formula, sometimes called the binomial expansion. So that's x is equal to 2, n is 12, p is a third. Alright, you won't find 1/3 on the tables that we'll use later. So ncx 12c 2 p 1/3 to the x power times 1 minus p 2/3 to the n minus x 12 minus 2. Alright, so the way you hopefully do this 2 down here and this 2 here are the same always. The 2 and the 10 minus 2 add up to the 10. The 12. Alright, and the 1/3 and the 2/3 add up to 1. Calculation. On the bottom line here we're going to have 2 factorial, 2 by 1 by 12 minus 2 or 10 factorial. Alright, not going to write that out because it's big. The biggest one on the bottom we'll just leave alone, and then the top we'll write 12 by 11 by, and then the rest 10 factorial, so that cancels with that. Alright, 2 into 12 makes 6, so we're left with 66 times the rest, 2/3 squared, 1/3 squared times 2/3 to the 8th. And then I'll pull out my calculator and work that out. And I get 0.2861. Again, right? This is the number. The first item is the number of ways. It has to be a whole number. Okay. The whole thing is a probability. Probability has to be between 0 and 1. In exam time or any time that you're calculating a probability, don't give me something that's negative or something that's greater than 1. It's an obvious error. Alright, next one. It's more difficult, but you can still handle it. It's only fear at this point that will slow you down. And of course there's nothing to be afraid of. Alright, x is 20. Out of 20 trials, the probability of 1 success on 1 trial is 0.99. I would like you to pause the video here, do your best on it, and then watch my answer. Alright, so the answer to that becomes n is 20, cx 20, p 0.99 to the x, the 20th power times 0.01 to the n minus x, right, 20 minus 20, which is 0. And of course at this point, or the next point, some of you will have stopped because you don't know how to handle some of these calculations. Alright, so let me tell you that 0 factorial is always 1. So don't ask me why. It just works. Okay? And anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay. So this actually turns out easy. 0 factorial is just 1. That's easy. The 20 factorial cancels the 20 factorial. The 0.01 to the 0 power, doesn't matter what it is, it's to the 0 power is a 1, so we're left with 0.99 to the 20th power. And let me pull out my calculator. Alright, and that is 0.8179. Actually, I'm not using my calculator, I'm using Excel on another machine. But let me show you on Excel. Alright, it's equals 0.99 to the 20th power, up arrow, which is a shift 6 character, to the 20th power, and you get your 0.8179. Okay, that's how I'm doing my calculations quickly. Alright, one more along the same vein. Probability that x is equal to 99 out of 100 trials, probability of one success on one trial, 0.998. Right? This could be the probability of finding exactly one defective or 99 good items out of 100, where the probability of one good item out of 100 is 0.998. Alright, again, I'd like you to pause the video and continue when you're ready. Alright, so the answer to that, NCX 100C 99 P 0.998 to the x power to the 99 power times 1 minus P 002 to the n minus x, which is to the 1 power. Alright, the biggest thing on the bottom line here will be 99 factorial, so we leave that alone. That's hard anyway, times n minus x, which is 1 factorial, so that's just 1. On the top line you get 100 times 99 factorial. 99 factorial cancels, you're left with 100 times what equals the rest, right? 0.998 to the 99th power times 0.002 to the 1 power, just as it is. Okay. And switch to Excel, and this is equal to 100 times 0.998 to the 99th power times 0.002, and the answer is 0.1640 to 4 significant places. Alright, and that's the binomial expansion.